Hello and welcome to Football Invaders. Please follow on Facebook, like and subscribe Payana ku YouTube. Football Invaders. Now let's look at the game of Bafana. FIFA World Cup Africa qualifiers. 5 September namhlanje Bafana is playing against Lesotho. Game ngala ngo 6 o'clock. Let's all support Bafana. Let's look at why the game is abaleka kangaka namhlanje ngebayidlalayo. Okokuqala we are playing Lesotho. And then after that we are playing in Nigeria, which is next week. Yenye yeteam ezinzima kule group, and then kuzobaleka into yobana sithi warm up ngeLesotho namhlanje, take this 3 point, siyazi uba we are solid phambili, siya add lo 3 points lo phaa kula 13 ishibe ngu-16 points, then saba mnandi because last year kule veki zala kwiNigeria engazuba lula, safika simnandi ngepoints, i-confidence yabe seyi-high. So it is very important ubana Hugo Broos ayithathe le 3 points. But now masijonge igroup yethu bayime kanjani. South Africa, as I said, ina 13 points number 1. Number 2 yiRwanda, ina 8 points, izibe iBenin ngo 8 points, ibe iNigeria ngonatsika ngo 7 points, ibe iLesotho 6 points, phaya egqibeleni emsilini ibe iZimbabwe ngo 4 points. Zonke ezi team okwangoku dlale 6 games. So Bafana kanye South Africa izawine 4, yadraw 1, yaze yaluza 1. So now siya game number 7. Imagine if swina le we add 3 points, then we are going to Nigeria, sino 3 points esimbambile kule veki kuLesotho. But now if we look at the fixtures Bafana, as I said, we are playing in Lesotho namhlanje, but next week we are playing in Nigeria. Then pa ku-October sawudlala neZimbabwe, sibuye sidlale kwakhona ayokugqibela imatch neRwanda. Indlela yethu ke leyo eyaphana kwi-FIFA World Cup Africa qualifiers ke zizawubaleka kakhulu ngoba simthathe lo 3 points. Now Hugo Broos whatever yenzayo namhlanje uzofuneka yazi into yokubana we are fighting for 3 points, not i-draw, we are fighting for 3 points. So let's all support Bafana, and don't forget to follow on Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, nezinye videos phayana ku YouTube. It's Football Invaders. Dango.